Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing Animal Hospital for the first time. This is the first patient of the hospital. Let's check him in. Let's treat our first patient. I need to take some blood, put it in the testing machine. Then I have to see what symptoms does he have on the computer. He has a stomachache, but what do I give him? Where is the medicine? I brought you some medicine. Oh, patient has died from wrong medicine? What was I supposed to give him? Now we have to check in this patient. Now it's time to take care of the patient. I hope I don't kill him this time. But let's see, he has dried eyes. I guess Oh, so that's from where you see what medication you have to give the patient. Yeah, that makes sense. The doctor is arriving. Wait, aren't we the doctor? Okay, let's see what is happening. Let's see the shift report. Patients treated 1, visitors admitted animal death 1. Okay, hospital performance poor. It's my first time playing. Okay, so let's open the settings and that twitching is kind of weird. I think he's an anomaly. I'm going to set him down. We have a new patient, so let's check him in. And another patient. What is he saying? Like, what do you mean? I don't understand what you're saying, sir. But I'm going to check you in. Okay, let's go treat some patients. Let's treat this person. Get some blood, put it in the machine. Check the results. So get the medicine. Okay, give him the medicine. Okay, he's cured. Now let's see this black guy. Take the blood, put it in the machine. Get the results. And get the medicine. Okay, you're done. Anyone else that I have to cure? I guess not. Okay, let's check in this person. Why are you banging your head? Why is that? He broke the glass. Oh my god. What do you want? Bro, what do you want from me? Okay, bye bye. Yeah, let's check in this patient. Okay, sir, you're good to go. me cure you. Okay, sir, you're done. Okay, the doctor is back. He's opening new faculties. The supply shop will be open for a limited time. It's shift. Ooh, here is the soap. I probably won't need it. Okay, now let's check in this person. And the black person is back. Ratu is back. Okay, we know that his name is Ratu. His advice is to not trust anyone. So, okay, but I have to check you in and. Okay, you're not a patient, you're an anomaly, so bye-bye. Okay, now let's treat this guy. Yeah, put him to the machine and do the heart test. And yeah. Patient on fire. Oh no. Where is he? I see him. Where is the fire extinguisher? Where is it? Okay, he left. Okay, yeah, let's finish with this person. Okay, let's give him the medicine. Okay, now let's treat the Ratu. He has bleeding and stomachache. Okay. Let's get the herbs and some band-aids. Give them to him. Okay, Ratu, you're cured. Okay, let's check in this deer animal person. Okay, okay, oh my god, that was an anomaly. Look at his face, guys. Did you see his face? So creepy. Oh my god. Okay, let's treat this person. Okay, don't look up. Why? I want to look up. Oh my god, what was that? What was that on the ceiling? Bro, what was that? Okay, let's treat the patient and pretend that we didn't saw that. We didn't saw nothing. Okay, let's get the medicine. Give it to him. Okay, sir, you're done. Okay, let's check in this person. Okay, and this person. Okay, let's treat this person. Again, don't look up. Another monster on the ceiling. Bro, the whole building is in monsters, but I have to treat the patients. That's most important. Okay, this guy is treated. Now let's treat this person. Okay, nothing on the ceiling. That's good. I thought there would be like 1 million monsters on the ceiling, but I guess it's not so many. Okay, let's get the eye drops, the herbs, and the thermometer. Eye drops. Okay, where are the herbs? Here they are. Now, the thermometer. Let's give them to him. Okay, the doctor is back. Some patients may seem unstable. What do you mean? Make sure to use the photo and camera. Stay alert. We have a camera. Okay, I'm done. I will unlock the taser. Use it. Okay, wait. Oh, that's an anomaly. That's an anomaly. Goodbye. Oh, he's angry. He's gonna be angry. No, I don't want to buy chocolate. Yes, he's really angry. Oh my god. Why was his figure black? Okay, let's open the gate for this guy. Okay, let me check you in. Okay, let me heal this person. Okay. Get the medicine. Give it to him. Okay, get the medicine and give it. You're done. Let's check in this person. And this person we need to check in. Okay, let's. Oh my god, what was that? What was that? Okay, let's treat this person. And forget about that monster that we just saw. Like, what was that? That looked like Ratu. It was Ratu an anomaly? What was that? Okay. Ratu, I'm sitting you down. You're not coming back. You're suspicious. That monster looked like you, so I don't trust you. Okay. Taylor, let's check you in. Okay, Taylor, you're done. Okay, let's check in Tofu. Oh, the twitching. He's an anomaly. Bro, don't be angry. It's not my fault. Okay, let's check in the deer. He looks good on the photo. And he's done. Now let's check in this rat. Okay, he looks good on the picture. A bit creepy, but good. Now you're done. Okay, let's treat this person. Okay, get the medicine. Okay, I'm gonna watch out for that one. Okay, and give it to him. Now let's treat this patient. Okay, give the medicine. And this person. Okay, get the thermometer, give it to him. Okay, I got a taser, I got some coffee, and I'm going after that monster. I'm going after it. I need to treat that person. Okay. Let's go. Okay, I cannot kill him. Okay, I'm gonna kill the patient. I don't know why. If he's dead, I won't be able to. I won't need to care for him. Okay, the doctor. Where is he running? Where is he? So scared. There's been a huge anomaly attack. Oh no. 6 people died and many more were hurt. Oh no. You have to treat them all. Be prepared. I died. Oh no. I guess the stress got to me, but like and subscribe for more Animal Hospital videos. And if you hear a dog on the background, my dog wouldn't stop yelling and wouldn't let me record this. But yeah. Oh, a critical patient. Okay, so yeah. Oh, and the visitor fainted. So like and subscribe for more Animal Hospital and Roblox videos. Bye bye!